Imagine standing on a fortified wall, only to see a massive wooden arm hurl a stone the size of a boulder right at you. That's the power of the ancient catapult, a weapon that forever changed the art of warfare. Long before gunpowder, ingenious engineers crafted siege engines like the ballista and the onager, each designed to launch deadly projectiles with terrifying accuracy and force. These machines weren't just tools, they were true game changers on the battlefield. With their ability to launch projectiles over great distances, they could smash through city walls, devastate enemy troops, and turn the tide of a siege in mere moments. The introduction of torsion-powered catapults meant armies no longer had to rely solely on brute force or lengthy blockades to conquer fortified cities. Instead, they could strike directly at a city's defenses, forcing defenders into quick decisions and innovative countermeasures. This technological leap sparked an intense arms race of fortification improvements and counter-siege tactics across the ancient world. The catapult's legacy is more than destruction. It's a story of human ingenuity, adapting and overcoming obstacles, and shaping the battlefield in ways that echo through military history even today.